Now, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add a take profit onto your running trade or before the trade has taken place. If you haven't seen how to put your stop loss on in the previous lesson, then do go have a look at that, because we're just going to continue from that lesson. So again, I'm going to go to the trade screen. I'm going to click and hold the Euro USD trade. I'm going to click modify. And then you can see I'm able to now add a take profit. Now, ideally, as I'm in a buy trade, your take profit should be above where you've bought it from because you anticipate price to go higher. So in this example, I'm just going to go back. I'm going to go back to the chart screen, go to a higher time frame, the daily. And then I'm going to say, just as an example, I expect price to go to here. So 1.1380, 1.1380. Back to the trade screen. Click modify, take profit 1.1380, click modify, go back to the chart, and you can see that the take profit is above where I've taken the trade, right? To see all your credentials, you can go back to the trade screen, just click, not hold, just click Euro USD. The drop down menu comes on here, and then you can see SL on the left-hand side, and that's the figure that I put for my stop loss, TP, and that's the figure that I put for my take profit. Again, this is during a live running trade. You can also place a take profit before the trade is even executed, literally just by going to the quote screen, clicking on the trade that you want, go to trade, and then you can add your take profit and your stop loss before the trade is even taken place. But like what I said in the last lesson, that I like to get in the trade first, then click modify, and I'm able to add my figures for my take profit if I'm having a take profit and my stop loss there, so I don't waste any time. And that, guys, is how you add a take profit onto your MT4.